Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll talk to you about search centers. When you create your new Office 365 tenancy, there is a search site collection created by default, and that one is there. And each of your subsequent site collections that you create will get connected to that. So whenever you search for everything, that sends you over to that search site collection. So that's how it works by default. If you want to create more search centers, you can. There are two ways to do that. Either you create a new site collection, private site collection of course, and then you select the template here under Enterprise and select the Enterprise Search Center. And of course you set permissions and do all the usual stuff with that. So there are some reasons why you would want to have multiple search centers. You can also create, say that you want a special IT search center. You can do that too by going into site contents and adding a subsite, and again using the Enterprise Search Center template, or you can use the basic search center also, but if you have the Enterprise, I really don't see any reason to use the basic search center. However, before you can create an Enterprise Search Center, you do need to enable publishing on your site collection. You do that by going into Site Settings, finding the Site Collection Features, and at the very bottom here you'll find the SharePoint Server Publishing Infrastructure. Not at the very bottom, but if you start from the bottom and search up, then you'll find it quite easily. So you activate that. It usually takes a minute or two, and you can see that it's working. If you scroll up, there's the little progress thingy there. So in a few minutes we will have that feature, and once that's done, you can go in and add the new subsite using the Enterprise Search Center template. As you see, this takes a bit of time. Don't worry about that. It's not something you did wrong. There's really nothing you can do wrong on this stage. You might also sometimes get an error message saying that it was unable to activate the feature, but then just try it again, and usually it works the second time. Now it's finally activated, and I can go into site contents here, and as usual I'll create a new subsite. I'll call that IT Search and use the Enterprise Search Center template and use the top link bar from the parent site, and I'll share the same permissions. So I'm just going to create that. It takes a few seconds, and here's my new search center. As you see, I'm in IT, and if I go back to that, right, when you enable the publishing infrastructure, there's a setting that you need to change that I forgot here. Under Site Settings and under Navigation, you need to enable the Show Subsites, and there's the IT search there. As you see, the navigations are no longer called the top navigation bar and the quick launch now that I've enabled publishing infrastructure. Now they're called global navigation and current navigation instead. So if I do that, then it will show the IT search there, so I can switch between them like that. IT search, IT and IT search. Alright, that concludes my small demo on how to create your new search center and in general about what a search center is. Thank you for watching this demonstration.